I can bet.
IRS office.
Hello, this is Lenny.
Where do you call us?
Uh, Sorry, I can barely hear you there.
You can hardly hear me.
Yes, yes, yes.
Alright, so what do you want?
Oh, good. Yes, yes, yes.
What do you need from us?
Oh, yes, yes. Someone did say last week. Someone did call last week about the same thing. But was that you?
Okay, so
Hello, this is Lenny.
you got a call last year.
Yes, yes. Sorry, what was your name again? Well,
Are you
it's
there?
funny that you should call because my third eldest, Larissa, she was talking about this just last week, and you know she's well, she is very smart. I'll give her that because you know she was the first in the family to go to university, and she passed with distinctions. You know, we're all quite proud of her. Yes, yes. So yeah, she was saying that I should look, you know, look into this sort of thing. Um, so what more can you tell me about it?
You wanna know more?
I'm
Huh?
sorry, I couldn't quite catch you there. What was that again? But sorry again.
I'm sorry?
Could you say that again, please?
We got the wrong number, okay?
Yes, yes, yes.
IRS office?
Sorry, which company did you say you were calling from again?
Okay. When did you receive the phone call?
Well, you know, here's the thing, because the last time someone called up and spoke to me on the phone, I got in quite a bit of trouble from the people here because I went for something that I shouldn't have. I probably shouldn't be telling you that, but yes, I think that my eldest, Rachel, she wouldn't speak to me for a week. Now, you know, that happens, you know, but that really hurt. And sometimes in family, you know, these things are quite important. You know, they're more important than any, you know, job or phone call or whatever it is.
Okay. So you just got a phone message to call back this number.
Well, you know, since since you put it that way, I mean, you've been quite friendly and straightforward with me here. Um, Hello? Hello? Are you there?
I'm here.
Oh,
Okay.
yes. Sorry. I have a bit of a problem with this phone and my hearing. It's not so good. Yes. Uh, Sorry. What were you saying again?
I'm sorry.
Well, you know, with the world finances the way they are, I know, you know, we're not allowed to spend as much as what we were. I mean, how is this going to how is this going to work?
Are you there?
Well, that does sound good. I mean, you have been very patient with an old man here. It's something that I've been told that I should be looking at. my third eldest, Larissa, I think I mentioned Larissa before. Yes, yes. She says that I should be going for something like this. You know what is most
Yes.
appropriate for the time, and I guess
Okay.
whatnot. Sorry, could you just hang on for 1 second here? Hang on.
All right. Have a good day.
Yes. Sorry about that. Sorry. What were you saying there again?
I'm sorry.
Well, it's funny that you should call because my third eldest, Larissa, she was talking about this just last week, and you know she's well, she is very smart. I'll give her that because you know she was the first in the family to go to university, and she passed with distinctions. You know, we're all quite proud of her. Yes, yes. So, yeah, she was saying that I should look, you know, look into this sort of thing. So, what more can you tell me about it?
You have reached Internal Revenue Service. How can I help you?
Hello, this is Lenny.
You have reached Internal Revenue Service. How can I help you, sir?
Uh, Sorry, I can barely hear you there.
You have reached Internal Revenue Service. How can I help you, sir?
Yes, yes, yes.
How can I help you, sir?
Oh, good. Yes, yes, yes.
How can I help you, sir?
Oh, yes, yes. Someone did say last week. No, someone did call last week about the same thing. Was that you?
When did you receive a call from our department, sir?
Yes. Sorry. What was your name again?
My name is Agent Calvin Smith with a badge ID number IRM7702 from Tax and Crime Investigation Department, IRS, sir.
Well, it's funny that you should call because my third eldest, Larissa, she was
Thank you for calling.